Imagine an animal so massive that its heart alone is the size of a small car, and yet it feeds on creatures smaller than a grain of rice. This is not science fiction. This is the whale. Whales are the largest animals to ever exist on Earth, bigger than the biggest dinosaurs. The blue whale can grow over 100 feet long and weigh more than 150 tons. To put that in perspective, one blue whale equals the weight of 25 elephants. But here's the shocking part. Despite their size, most whales survive on tiny shrimp-like animals called krill. So how does something so huge survive on something so small? Whales use a powerful feeding system called filter feeding. They open their mouths, take in tons of water, and push it out using baleen plates, trapping thousands of krill inside. One single gulp can contain over 500,000 calories. But whales aren't just big eaters, they are planet protectors. Yes, whales literally help fight climate change. When whales swim, they move nutrients from deep oceans to the surface through something scientists call the whale pump. This helps tiny plants called phytoplankton grow. And here's the crazy part. Phytoplankton produce over 50% of Earth's oxygen, more than all the rainforests combined. That means every second breath you take is indirectly connected to whales. And when whales die, they still save the planet. Their bodies sink to the ocean floor in an event called a whale fall. This feeds deep-sea life for decades and traps massive amounts of carbon away from the atmosphere. One whale can lock away 33 tons of carbon during its lifetime. Now let's talk intelligence. Whales have some of the most complex brains in the animal kingdom. They communicate using songs that can travel thousands of kilometers underwater. Humpback whale songs even change every year, spreading across oceans like viral music. They have emotions, they form friendships, they mourn their dead. Some whales recognize themselves, solve problems, and even help injured animals, including humans. But despite their power and intelligence, whales face a serious threat. Ship strikes, plastic pollution, noise from submarines, and climate change.